Hello everybody, welcome back to Slime Rancher, and we are going to be showing you how to get some of those red cube food, like that, because they're kind of hard to find, so I'm going to show you. So, just going to feed them that in a sec. It actually works extremely well. I love it. Here we go. And here. There he is. Yeah, there we go. So, those red cubes can be found, and we're going to be doing a bunch of other stuff, of course, but I'm going to show you where those red cubes are first. So, you're going to need the jetpack. So you're gonna come over here and simply buy the jetpack, and I'll buy this just in case. So the jetpack. Here, you're gonna jump down here. Oh, you don't need the jetpack actually. And wait, I thought it was here. A sec, I think. They're on the QB trees. Actually, I don't think we'll be finding those. Whoops. I thought it was there. I knew it was on like some kind of little island. Wait. That's how we'll be getting a key. Oops. Okay. I might get some of those fruits. So you'll need about 20 fruits for this guy. And you just feed him on all of them. Oh, wait, is it 30? One sec. $20, $30, I forgot. Okay, it's 30. There. You can really just grab anything, like carrots work too. Yeah, I really like this game. It's super calm. In the early game. And here's the water source when you have the water pack thing. Oh, here are the QB blocks. So this is where they can be found. I only need one, because I'm gonna make a farm. So yeah, the cuberry can be found on that little Tabby Silent Island. You don't need anything, all you need to do is just run over there. You don't need the jetpack. Jetpack are for like, later things. Okay, here. Yep, 30 things. And there's the key that you're looking for. You're gonna need that key. It's stuck in the wall. I don't need that. I don't need that anyway. Okay. These are pickable. So, what you're gonna do with this key is, wait, I'm gonna go back to home first. Alright, nice and foody. Yum, 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 yum. What? How? Lord Collector, what you got? All right. There we go. Oh. Whew. There. Gonna use that. Okay. Now I'll show you like where it is. So, it's like, you come out of your farm, and then you go through this little path. Over here. Yep. I need you to. And I kind of like bringing these guys with me, because they kind of light the way. And if you come over here in this little area, what just happened? I want you, and I want you. Ah! So they like help you light the way. So I'll show you. So it's kind of in this little cave. And there's the sign, and a bunch of guys pop out. You kind of get scared of it at first, but then it's not so scary. do not like that loud noise. And then you unlock the indigo quarry. Wait, I forgot. Do you need to unlock? Or is it just there? He might be just there. Oh yeah, it's just here, it's just here. So you can come here to get some cool rat slimes. I'll take some of these. They're nice. Boom slimes. I can't pick those up right now. The rat slime, I mean the boom slimes are probably the most dangerous. I only need 5. The question is, what do I want to mix it with? I think I'll mix it with a boom slime. I remember needing a boom slime, and I'll show you why in the future. So, I need to return home. But on the stop, I'm gonna get my carrots out. Come up here. This guy will give you a key, I'm pretty sure. So you want to feed him, like, all your carrots, or veggies. You may have some radishes that you might want to give him. We can unlock this soon. Veggies, I can't pick them up because I'm full. And the way out of here is over here. You come up here. I think you need your jetpack. No, you don't. You can jump up here and jump down. Okay, so I'm gonna run through this real quick. Oh yeah, they don't pop out on daytime. I forgot. Five rock wool. I think I'll get rid of these. Okay, yeah, I'm getting rid of these. And I'll do the... So you're gonna see what I'm doing. It's really cool. So I get rid of these because I don't really need the cat slimes. So I can get rid of these ones because I'm making the cat slimes over there. I can get rid of these guys and put. I need to suck them up. Yes, good. And then I put these guys in, and then get 5. No, I don't need exactly 5. Oops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Because I still need the rocky guys. So that fixes my problem. I don't need that. Dash boots. Nice. I really need to get these. I don't know if that was doing over there. I just saw it in the corner of my eye. Okay, garden. Really nice garden. Carrots. That means I need another farm though. Okay, yeah, I really like this game. It has so much to explore. I really love that about this game. So, like, there must be, like, another direction to go over here, because it's kind of big-ish. I don't know. Take these carrots with me to buy. Holy moly, I know what I saw. Let's go. Gold plort is here. That's another one. What? A third one? 3 gold plorts? What just happened? I just see 3 gold plorts in my life. They're multiplying quickly. They're multiplying. Oh no. But this is what my water is for. Terminate these beasts. Oh. One little spray. And I can just refill over here. What just happened? 3 gold plorts? That's $900. I wish that happened to me every day. That'd be great. I'm so happy that was on recording. That was insane. Holy moly. So, the reason I'm so happy is because each one of these costs like $400. It's insane. I'm gonna keep them till their price is like super high. So then I'll get so much. Whoa, that was really. Wow. Three gold plorts. That's crazy. I got a ladder. Hey! This entire king system was sealed off by blah 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 blah. Red. He looks so angry. He looks so sad. Oh, my carrot. I should have 5 left over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he needs 40. Oh, he needs 40 carrots. That's technically... Oh, that's so bad. There's water slimes here. They're really cute. And I don't think I really needed them for anything. Wait, I don't know if I can fly this far. I need to try. Okay, yeah, okay, got it. That was pretty hard. There, ornament. I love that ornament. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. And remember, there's something over here. It took me so long to figure it out, but there's a guy here. Okay, this should be enough. Oh, buddy, get terminated. I'm Terminator. I like never read these H things, but I will for you. It was blushing, yeah, it was blushing. When it gets too crowded, it blushes. Do you know that? If you push like 5 of them together in one area, they're like, oh, I'm scared of you. I'm not gonna make any more. Poopy poop. My plort's for you, because I don't want it. Not anymore. Oh, yeah, this is a teleport. Whoa, oh my goodness. A horde of them charged for me. It was horrible. What is this? Oh. What the? Is this where I think it is? Yeah, okay. I have to take the long way back. Of course I do. What did I do? Oh. Oh, yeah, nice. Holy moly. Holy moly. I didn't do anything. I hate when I hear that bouncing noise. adorable. Everybody, if we finish this game, I can do Slime Rancher 2. Everybody. And comment down below if there's any other games that you want me to do. The price is low, not doing it. Even when the price is low, it's $445. That's insane. Now carrots. Whoa, what? What are you doing here? Get back in your pen. There's food here. What do you want? I'm a good owner. Here's some foodie, guys. Watermelons. And I think these watermelons will wrap it up for today. 12 watermelons for this year's harvest. And goodbye, everybody. See you next time.